Hey, what's up everybody? It's David McGill. Now, I was asked by a viewer, Robert Nixon, to explain how the factoring process works. So I decided to shoot this quick video to hopefully explain this concept to anybody else out there who's unsure of how factoring works. Now, before I explain how the factoring process works, I first need to explain how the cash collection process typically works in the trucking industry. Now, once you deliver a load for a broker and you fulfilled your part of the agreement, it's now time for you to get paid. Now, what you need to do is email or fax your paperwork over to the broker, and that's going to include like your load confirmation as well as your proof of delivery, your BOLs, and any lumper receipts or any other receipts that you need to supply to the broker. Now, once you deliver that load and you send the invoice to the broker, typically the payment terms could be anywhere from 30 to 90 days before the broker actually pays you. Now, for a small business, waiting 30, 60, or even 90 days can be very detrimental for your cash flow. Because of that, there are companies out there who, for a percentage of the load, will actually advance you your money within 24 to 48 hours. Now let's get into exactly how that works. Now, in this example, the carrier is David's Truckin, and we just delivered a load for, let's say, $1,000 for the broker. So I'll have to send an invoice to the broker for $1,000. Now, I'm going to wait 30, 45, 60, or even 90 days before the broker actually pays me. Now, if I can't sustain that and I can't wait that long to actually get paid for the load, what I will do is hire a factoring company to factor my loads through. And what does that mean? Instead of me invoicing the broker for $1,000 and receiving that $1,000, I will send this paperwork. I will send the paperwork down to my factoring company, RTS, and for a percentage of the load, and in their case it's 3%, so they will send me back $970, and I'll get that within 24 or 48 hours. Now, RTS, they will then bill the broker for the $1,000, and they'll wait the 30, 45, 60, or even 90 days before they get paid. As you can see, like, it's not a free service to factor your invoices. I'm paying 3%, so on this $1,000 invoice, I actually only made $970. Well, it was worth it for me to receive $970 24 to 48 hours after I delivered the load, instead of waiting, a month or two to receive the full $1,000. So that's how factoring works. In a future video, I'll explain how and why I use a factoring company to grow the size of my trucking fleet. But for now, if you find this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to do so. One more thing, if you're looking for a factoring company and you're not sure where to start, I recommend RTS Financial. They're the company that I've used to factor my loads ever since I started. I haven't had any issues with them. They have really good customer service, and I highly recommend them. If you know anyone else this information would benefit, please share this video with them. Thanks again for watching.